Hello there and good evening. My name is Cinda and welcome to my channel. For today I want to try to make a crochet bag, but I want to try to make it kind of like three-dimensional. So basically doing one panel, another panel, and then the strap is going to connect both panels around. I'm not sure exactly how to do it. I'm just going to free handle it. So let's get started. So I've got the first side done. This is going to be the side of the bag. And now I'm going to make another one exactly like this one. Here I finished the second panel. So now what I plan to do is begin from here and make like maybe 10 stitches. No, 10 would be too much. Maybe like 6 stitches across and just go row by row, and at the beginning and end of the row connect them to these panels so that it makes a kind of connection all around to make it like three-dimensional kind of. So this is the first time I'm trying it. I've never tried this before, so we'll see how it works out. Okay, so change of plans. I'm going to take this out. I see that it's a bit too complicated to go in and connect it each time, and it makes this big like bumps over here. So instead what I'm going to do, I'm just going to align them like that and single crochet all around to close it up, and then I'll make this strap. So this is plan B now. Okay, so it's now connected, looking very nice and sharp on the sides. Now all that's left is for the strap, and what I'm going to do is slip stitch. I want the strap to be 4 stitches wide, maybe 5, including in the middle over here. So let me slip stitch 2 stitches back, 1 and 2, and now I'm going to chain 1, turn, and now make 5 stitches across. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and these will be for the strap. So I'm going to continue crocheting these back and forth to make the whole strap. Alright, so I got it finished. I just have these little ends that I'll sew in later. And here's how it came out. I love how neat it is. I love the outline that it made and the strap. and I think that it's going to replace this one, which I'm using pretty much daily, and this is already looking a bit worse for wear, so now I could finally have a new one, and I think it's the perfect size for phone, wallet, keys, etc. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.